What if I tell you that this channel subscribers went from 0 to 1000 within just 10 days? How to make passive income on YouTube? You will find tons of videos on this topic, but what's so special about this video that made the channel monetize with only one video? At first, it might seem that channel got luck, but after doing days of analysis, I can say for sure that this is not luck. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the strategies of this channel in 3 parts and how you can do it too. And without this third part, it is quite impossible for any channel to be successful. But first, you need to understand how the YouTube algorithm works for new YouTube channels. When you upload your video on YouTube, it sends your video to a smaller group of people. And if these people click on your thumbnail and watch your video for longer duration, then YouTube pushes out to a wider audience and the process will repeat. But how to make sure that people click on your video in the first place? Well, it all starts with our first part, which is title and thumbnail. Title and thumbnail is the first thing that viewers see before clicking on your video. So it should be the one which creates curiosity and a promising story in viewers' mind. For example, how to make passive income with one video on YouTube. It makes the audience curious to know how it's even possible to earn passive income with just one video. Thumbnail design is brilliant and simple. The idea is to use complementary colors to make the thumbnail more visible. The revenue screenshot gives hope to the viewers that they can earn approximately $13,000. Well, we can talk on this for hours, but I think you get the idea what I'm talking about. If you are a YouTuber, you will probably know that the first 20 seconds of the video are crucial for the audience retention. This leads to our second part, which is hook. The average attention span of the viewer is shorter than the light bulb of a refrigerator. So you need to grab the attention of the audience in the first 20 seconds of the video. The common mistake that most of the small channels do is they repeat the same thing in the intro, which is already there in title and thumbnail. So I would suggest you to spend a lot of time writing the hook for your video. Get straight to the point as quickly as possible and cut it short. Let's talk about the last and most important part of the video, which is viewer satisfaction. The channel revealed the CTR of this video, which is around 9% with 5k impressions, and which is not that great. Then how does this video get blown up? The answer is content quality, which leads to the engagement of the audience on the video. The engagement is basically measured with 3 indicators. The first, views to like ratio, second, views to comment ratio, and third, views to subscriber ratio. The views to like ratio for this video was 10% with a typical ratio of 4%. The views to comment ratio was 5% with a typical ratio of 0.5%. And views to subscriber ratio was 7.2% with a typical ratio of 0.5%. These numbers are well beyond its typical range, and in some instances it is 10x the typical range, which triggered the YouTube algorithm to promote this video to a larger audience. If you will watch the video closely, you will find the content was unique and valuable that forced the viewer to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. In the nutshell, if you want to do it too, just forget about the algorithm and focus on audience interest and need. Deliver the unique content with a great quality and a great value, and nobody can stop you from going viral. If you find this video helpful, just hit the like and comment on the video. Thank you.